Hello guys, welcome to another market analysis video. So today I have Nifty here. So if you can see, this is the 1 hour time frame and this is the intraday levels for tomorrow. This here I marked the drop supply zone here, and after this there has been a good down move, and within this supply zone, if I go into the 15 minutes time frame, I have an entry point here, a rally based drop supply zone. So what I will do is tomorrow, based on how Nifty opens, I will have my entry parameters like this, something like this, and 1 is to 2 something like this. But however, we can go aggressive and take target until here. So 1 is to 3, that should be a good risk reward. All right. So there is also one other demand zone here. Let me delete this. There's also one other demand zone here. So as you know, Nifty is now in a short-term uptrend. For it to make a valid uptrend, I would want Nifty to close about this level. Of course, that is still a bit higher. I also have a 4-hour supply zone here. I'm expecting a retracement after this, so maybe it will go into this supply zone and then move back down. All right, so that is yet to be seen. Let's discuss the 1 hour demand zone. So on Nifty, we have the 1 hour demand zone here, drop based rally demand zone. Now this is only valid as long as the price can close somewhere about this. So on the 15 minutes time frame, it has already closed above this supply zone. So this is indeed valid. So what I will do is, since Nifty is in an uptrend, so if you notice, it is making higher highs. So higher highs here, so something like this. Okay, so I will look for entry parameters here, enter here, stop loss somewhere here, and probably target somewhere here. Okay, if it gaps down and enters into this zone, then I'll think of this entry parameters. All right, so along with Nifty, we also have Nifty here. Actually, Bank Nifty, the same demand zone is also there in Bank Nifty. So if you go to the 1 hour time frame, we have a drop based rally demand zone and with a good closing. All right, so I am expecting a good demand zone, this demand zone to play out. So if the price moves back into this zone, something in this sort, okay, take entry here and up to this level. Right, there is also a possibility that the price, since it's entered the, I think this is the 2 hour supply zone here. Oh, this is the 4 hours. Correct. Oh, this is the 4 hour supply zone. So a rally, base, and drop. Look at this huge drop. All right. So since it's entered into this zone, the 4 hour supply zone, and within the 4 hour supply zone, we also have a 30 minutes supply zone. So tomorrow I will be looking for short entries, something in this sorts. As long as price is above this level, I can look for short entries. Target is below this level. All right. So this is the 1:3 reward. So this is a pretty good setup. If you want to be a bit more aggressive, you can also move the stop loss right above this 30 minutes zone. But this also means that the chances of price reversing from this zone increases, because there is some liquidity here. So we want this in our favor. So my suggestion is always to keep the stop loss above this 4 hour zone. Right. So this is Bank Nifty. And Fin Nifty, we had a good opportunity today. So it was right near the trend line here. Also, I want to show you one more thing on the 4 hour time frame. If you see the 4 hour time frame, there was this demand zone. Okay, so this is the demand zone. This base candles will act as a demand zone. It is better on the 1 hour time frame as well. So this is a drop, base, and rally. So I had marked this zone, this small zone here. Don't know. Yeah, this was the zone that I had marked. And on the 15 minutes time frame, today we got entry. If I can refine this zone a bit more, yes, this was the zone, and today we got entry into this zone. We got entry. I kept my stop loss somewhere here, and my target was initially till here, but again I did not expect this to be broken. I think I took my target somewhere here. Yes, somewhere here in this candle, somewhere in this candle. So something like this. Once it was about to reach there, I took my target. But again after that it started moving back up. So this was today's zone, but let's figure out how we can trade it for tomorrow. On the 1 hour time frame, you can notice that okay, let me discuss the supply zone, because Nifty, Bank Nifty and Nifty all three have entered supply zones. So on the 2 hour time frame, we have this rally base drop supply zone here, and on the 30 minutes time frame, we have this supply zone here. All right, we have a base candle and then huge sell off. We can also see this in the 1 hour time frame, but however on the 1 hour time frame the supply zone is split between this supply zone and this supply zone. So I went through all of the other factors as well. So we also have one supply zone here and the other one here. Now since that the excuse me, now since this supply zone is quite aggressive, I felt this supply zone will offer a better risk to reward, so I'm going to be trading this one. So how do I trade this? I go to the 30 minutes time frame. Tomorrow, based on how Nifty and Bank Nifty everything opens, I will enter here, stop loss above this point and target something till here. All right, so this is the supply zone entries for tomorrow. And about the demand zone, if I go to the 2 hour time frame or 1 hour time frame, yeah, on the 1 hour time frame the picture is much better. So we have a drop based rally demand zone which is closed above the supply zone as well. So we have good power here. So let's go to the 30 minutes time frame. On the 30 minutes time frame, we have this zone, a drop base rally. So I have already marked this zone. The reason I have marked this zone is because there is also 15 minutes zone there. So on the 15 minutes, I have marked two zones. There is one zone here, one zone here. Now this is a bit more aggressive. However, if you want, you can trade something like this. Entry here, stop loss here, and target somewhere here. So this is also one feasibility, or you can split it into two different orders. So one order is something like this. One order will be here, and the second order will be something like this. Maybe split the quantities, take half quantity here and half quantity here. So in case you are entered into this trade and the price starts moving up, then you don't miss out on the trade. But however, if the price does move back lower, then you get a better entry price. All right, so these are my entry parameters for this week and probably the next. So keep following my channel, and if you have any doubts, you can also ask them in the comments. If you like this video, do like it and give a subscribe to the channel. All right, so see you tomorrow.